So it's been a great couple of weeks on the Beaver project with the red engine. Got power on, so we're running through system checks. And then today we cut out the caution panel that we've designed. We cut this out of one piece of aluminum. So this is going to be our caution panel with all of our warning lights that we've designed here at Skye Avionics. So we're hoping for the first run in a few weeks. So we're cutting out the caution panel for the Beaver right now. Machining the whole thing out of one piece of aluminum.